Because the Prince and Princess of Wales have been seen together in public for the first time since the release of Harry's book. They went to Merseyside, where they've met individuals working across healthcare and mental health support services, and they thanked healthcare staff for their ongoing contribution. Well, let's talk to our Royal reporter, Cameron Walker, who's up in Liverpool for us. You lucky devil, Cameron, I love being up there. Look, how have they handled this? Because as much as they've gone there to do a job, they will be so well aware that the pressure is on them to see how they perform following the release of the memoir.
Oh, they absolutely are, Stephen. In fact, when they got out their car and walked into the Liverpool University Hospital, which is why they are here, they were heckled, I think, by one journalist who asked them for a reaction for Harry and Meghan's book, but they were met with silence. It was a bit windy, so we're not entirely sure if the royal couple heard that remark, but nonetheless, there was no comment from them, which is very much what we've had for the last week, hasn't it, from their team at Kensington Palace. But the whole reason why they're here is because they are very much carrying on with their royal duties. They are focused on healthcare workers today here in Liverpool. They've been meeting healthcare staff. They've visited a critical care ward. One nurse even asked the royal couple for a selfie, and they were more than happy to do that with the nurse. They've also unveiled a plaque because there are a number of new buildings here at the Royal Liverpool University Hospital, which opened in October 2022. It's the biggest hospital in the country that provides patients with single ensuite bedrooms, which is said to improve the patient's care and patient experience. Elsewhere, they have left the Royal University Hospital now, and they have gone to a charity which looks after and provides provision for mental health services for young people, and it's been designed by young people as well. So they're doing that at the moment. Of course, it's a cause which they have championed for a long time with their Royal Foundation, which is the organisation that looks after their charity arm. But of course, there is a big elephant in the room, isn't there, Stephen? And that is Prince Harry's memoir, which was released earlier this week. It, of course, has accused, there's a text exchange in there which Prince Harry kind of reprints, allegedly between Meghan and Kate, where Kate allegedly makes Meghan cry. Then there's an allegation that Prince William physically attacked Harry back in 2019. Kensington Palace have not commented on any of these allegations. They're very much focused on the work that Will and Kate have been doing here. Prince Harry's popularity ratings in the United Kingdom have fallen again this morning to an all-time low. The King, he is also out in public on engagements today. He's up in Aberdeenshire. He has been visiting an organisation which helps men with rural loneliness, and he's also been meeting members of the crowd up there. Lots of dogs, I've seen pictures up in the Royal Deeside Forest, so he's having a great time. But I think it's the united front which the working royals have put on today, their show of service and their dedication to service to the people of the United Kingdom, despite the distraction the other side of the Atlantic. And of course, we're only getting, it's only a couple of months until the King's coronation, and there is very much still a big question mark over whether Harry and Meghan are going to be invited to the King's coronation on the 6th of May.